Everyone tells you creative confidence comes from believing in yourself, but that's wrong. And believing that lie is the exact reason you're still stuck. Confidence isn't a feeling you build up before you create. It's a byproduct, something that shows up after you've already made the thing badly, publicly, 100 times. Nobody tells you that part. They sell you the myth that one day you'll feel ready. But readiness is a feeling manufactured by your brain to protect you from being seen, and it will never arrive on its own. Here's what's actually happening inside your head. When you imagine sharing something you've made, your amygdala, the part of your brain wired for threat detection, fires the exact same way it would if you were facing physical danger. To your nervous system, being judged and being hunted register almost identically. That's not a metaphor, it's measurable. So when you sit down to create and feel that tight chest, or that sudden urge to delete everything before anyone sees it, that's not a sign you lack talent. That's your caveman brain doing exactly what it evolved to do. Back then, social rejection meant being exiled from the tribe, which meant literal death. The problem is, that ancient system wasn't built for a world where the tribe is a comment section. Your brain overreacts wildly, and the only way to recalibrate it isn't to think your way out, it's to expose it, again and again, to small, survivable doses of being seen. So if confidence isn't a feeling you wait for, what is it? It's a skill. Specifically, it's your tolerance for the gap between what you imagined and what you actually made. Every creator you admire isn't someone who stopped seeing that gap. They're just someone who built a higher tolerance for sitting inside it without running away. There's a concept from creativity researchers called the transfer of ownership. The moment you finish something and let it exist outside your head, post it, show it, hand it over, you transfer ownership of how it's received. Their reaction becomes their experience, not a verdict on your worth. Confidence is simply what it feels like once you've internalized that separation. You don't build that by thinking about it. You build it through repetition, the same way a muscle adapts to a weight it once couldn't lift. Here is Here's the truth about creative confidence. It doesn't feel like triumph. It feels quiet. It feels like making something imperfect and simply not flinching. That's it. That's the whole transformation. Not applause, not absolute certainty, just the total absence of flinching. And once that happens even once, you realize the myth was backwards the entire time. You were never supposed to feel ready first. You were supposed to go first and let readiness catch up. So the next time you wait to feel confident before you create, remember, confidence isn't the door you walk through. It's the room you find yourself in after you've already gone first, which is why